Hi everybody, it's Tim with No Affiliate Links channel. Now obviously this one's got to be done a little differently. If you saw the previous video, I was telling you that basically I have a tooth that's acting up and it's got my jaw a little swollen, and anyway, I feel like crap. So I didn't feel like being on camera, to be honest with you. So I apologize for the lighting. All that's really here is just a little ring light, and then I have an overhead light in the room. But anyway, this review is actually going to be of this. It is the Holy Stone HS720 Drone. It's the kind of typical, I guess. You can see, I'm going to point to the picture here. That is actually a camera right there. I got this for Christmas, previous Christmas, from my brother, and it remained unopened until he just visited. We finally went out in the yard and tried to fly it and all that, and anyway, we're close to a road and power lines, so it makes me nervous, to be honest with you. But let's see, I will get a little closer. You can see here it says 26 minutes, maximum 26 minutes flying time. I'll admit we couldn't keep it in the air for 26 minutes, but that's more to do with our lack of skill. This GPS, I will say, I tried this, and I couldn't get it to really work properly. But again, that could be more our lack of skill than the actual product. So take that with kind of a grain of salt. Overall, wonderful product. I love this thing. I can't wait to get it in a more open area where I can really utilize it. Not to mention learn what the hell I'm doing. This would be the other side. Let's see here. It says 2.4 gigahertz communication, but yeah, I'm not. Well, here it says weak signal and low voltage remote controller alarm. This was not a problem for us because don't allow it to get that far. Brushless motor and independent ESC, which don't know what that is. I guess it's escape. I don't know. But I tell you what, I'm going to take it out of the box so you can actually see the drone. Okay, well, I've dropped the box. It's over there. Now, I wanted to show you this. It does come with its own carrying case, which I think is pretty awesome. And then, now you open the case, and obviously you have to take out, all this stuff, the booklets and the little padding or whatever, but yeah, I would open this up, but I don't really see the need. I think everybody kind of knows what a drone looks like when it's opened up, and plus you saw the picture on the box. Anyway, there's the controller. That's actually just a battery that goes inside. Apparently I am going to take it out. The battery just slides in there. See if I can get it under this one good light. Anyway, it just slides in there. It does pretty good. And then of course you have this stuff up here, which is just well, I don't really need to take that out, but yeah, just the accessories, all the cables and all that are in there. My only complaint with this that I know isn't an operator error is this controller up here at the top has a little piece that slides up. You're supposed to be able to mount your phone so that it actually holds onto your phone. Because whatever the camera sees shows up on your phone. Well, this is my phone, right? This is my iPhone, and yes, it has a case on it, but I tried it with the case and I tried it without the case on it, and it will not hold my phone at all. Like, it doesn't even try. As soon as you move it, just barely, and the phone will fall out. It will not hold it. That's my only real complaint. So it has pieces that fold down on the bottom of this that are supposed to be basically handles, and I just kind of set my phone there, but you have to hold the controller and the phone at the same time. But yeah, that's it. Another quick down and dirty kind of thing. Let me zoom in on it for you so you can get a little closer look. There's the controller. And then you have the actual drone, and then that's just a battery. And it's all in a case. But yeah, down and dirty, quick and simple review. This is, again, lower end for drones anyway. You know, it's not like the Phantom. It's, I would say, probably half the price of a Phantom. It's good quality. The video looks pixelated while it's recording, but once you get it transferred onto a computer and all, it's actually not that bad. It's probably pixelated compared to like a Phantom or a really, really expensive drone, but it's good quality. It's worth it, in my opinion. You can look it up on Amazon. I don't know how much they're going for now, but this one obviously was over $100. But yeah, anyway, it is the Holy Stone HS720 Drone, if you want to look it up on Amazon. So yep, that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it helps me out a ton. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye for now.